Fursa tupeleke moja kwa moja kwa waziri kuweza kujibu, lakini kabla tuweze kumpa nafasi ningependa kuchukua Joshua, maana yake anaona akizungumza Davi unachangia sana kwa kutingisha kichwa na kama unakubaliana naye. Ukiangalia utaratibu ambao waziri na Kumincha anaufanya, anataka kuondoa ile dhana ya kuwa na wizara ya magonjwa na tuwe na wizara ya afya, kwamba afya inapewa kipaumbele zaidi kuliko kusubiri magonjwa, na ndio mpango wake kwamba ukiweza kufaulu tutaweza kubadilisha mengi katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Unakubaliana na hilo au?
The Constitution of Kenya 2010 provides for health as a devolved function of government, and that should be the baseline. It should never be disputed. The moment health sector is still held at a higher level in terms of resource allocation, as well as also decision making at the national level, is not a national government function. The national government is responsible for policy implementation. That is why the doctors and the medics were taken to the 47 units, devolved units that we have in our country. The moment it becomes a premised development agenda at the national level, we lose the implementation and practice of the provision of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. Lastly, if we allow the 47 county governors to have resources and best implement the Medicare, and as civil society, we affirm that we should have what is called prevention health care more than curative health care, because curative health care has a procurement element of drugs. In this country, in this century, why do we still have people who die from kwashiorkor? That's preventive.
Okay.
Marasmus.
Okay.
Or let's say skin diseases. I mean, I think for the better part of this regime, we should concentrate on preventive health care than curative healthcare.
Okay, we'd like to hear what CS Nakumincha has to say about all that, but let's talk about another issue that came out with Ruth Ball. I'll bring you in on this. Just pass the microphone to Ruth right there.